Hi, this is Michael from Material. If you want to convert the bitcoins you have in your Material wallet into euros or dollars or any other currency, here's how. First, you need to transfer your bitcoins from your Material wallet to the exchange. Then, convert your bitcoins into dollars, euros, or your desired currency. Thereafter, send your money to your bank account. If you don't have funds on your exchange yet, learn how to by watching our tutorial titled Send Bitcoin from Material Wallet using Electrum. Go to the Buy and Sell option and enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to convert into your chosen currency. Press Sell and enter the amount of Bitcoin. When the transaction is confirmed, go back to your dashboard and click on the currency icon you need to cash out. Enter the amount of your currency that you want to send out. Now choose how you want to cash out, via debit card or with a bank transfer.